Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be buying the Diamond Pass for January 2026 so that we can get the Hero Wizard. So these are all the bonus rewards you can get from buying the Diamond Pass. And let's activate. Just wait while transaction is pending. Let's wait. I don't know why this Diamond Pass takes too long to activate. Yeah, I'm planning to use this deck, guys. I'm still waiting for my... Oh, the rewards. Nice, 50 gems, very useful. Gold. More gold. Epic wild cards. Rare wild cards. Common wild shards. Sorry, wild shards. Okay, so let's activate. Of course, we're gonna get the Hero Wizard. I'm gonna screenshot that. Wow, why does this have a very cool sound? Anyways, we're gonna claim the rewards next time. So here the hero. We'll be using this giant Sparky deck. Yeah, I'm not a Sparky main, guys, but let's use it in ranked. Yeah, I saved my first battle in rank for this. So, I'm not a Sparky player, guys, but I used a Sparky deck to climb to Ultimate Champion last season. So, I'm gonna have to block that. Oh, this guy's under leveled. The ghost is under leveled. Oh, he has a P.E.K.K.A. No. Ouch. Don't zap me. Yeah, everybody has a zap, I know. I know he has a zap. Yeah, so I use my minions. Oh! There goes the Ewiz. I should have binds. If I binds, that would have taken a hit. Yeah. My bad. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Hero Wizard. It's a level 14. Oh, nice. The new voice line's very cool. And yes, friggin' poison as well, man. Why? Yeah, so I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna overcommit here. I don't think he has much elixir and a good counter to this. I don't know why he doesn't use bandit. Yeah, I should have used Cap this. Yeah, I'm gonna let that take a hit. Because I want to put a giant in front. Doesn't have a small spell. He's gonna P.E.K.K.A. Never mind. I think it's gonna kill. Okay. So poison's gonna take out my Evo Starmie, which is still pretty broken. Oh, now he uses a bandit. So I'm gonna use the Hero Wizard. Hero Wizard! I haven't even used the ability yet, guys. I have no need to. Starmie at a pocket. And I'm gonna binds this crap. Now it's time to fly, boy! Let's use the Vacuum Tornado. Yeah, Tornado does so little damage, guys. Yeah, I have mini P.E.K.K.A. here, so that's not gonna hit. Let's flex the Ultimate Champion emote. You will be in my content, Pure Mortal. Okay, so that's a showcase of Hero Wizard ability. So, are you gonna buy the pass, guys? I think, for me, Hero Wizard is situational. It can be good against beatdown, but can be bad if your opponent has Rocket or Lightning, because unlike the Evo Wizard who has a shield, Hero Wizard is still vulnerable to spells. Anyways, that's it, guys. Are you getting the Hero Wizard? Share in the comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.